Some vehicles try to impress you the moment you see them. The 2026 Toyota Thunderstorm doesn't try. It simply arrives, and everything else feels quieter. Because this isn't a car built to chase attention. It's built to redefine what presence feels like. For years, the idea of a premium Toyota has lived somewhere between reliability and restraint, sensible, predictable, safe. The Thunderstorm changes that conversation. It doesn't abandon Toyota's identity, it evolves it. This is not a departure, it's a transformation. A vehicle that suggests the future of luxury may not come from traditional luxury brands at all, but from those who understand people better than anyone else. On this channel, we don't just review cars. We explore how they fit into the way you live, think, and move through the world. And today, the Thunderstorm isn't just another release, it's a signal. Because here's the question we'll keep coming back to. Is this the moment where everyday luxury becomes extraordinary? Let's find out. From the front, the Thunderstorm doesn't shout. It holds eye contact, a wide, sculpted face, clean surfaces, light that feels intentional rather than decorative. There's a quiet authority in the way it stands. Still, like it knows it doesn't need to prove anything. Move along the side, and the proportions tell a different story. Long, balanced, almost architectural. The lines don't rush, they flow. Like they've been drawn with patience, not urgency. And then the rear, minimal, grounded, composed. No excess, no noise, just a complete, confident finish. This is design that isn't trying to look futuristic. It simply belongs there already. And then you open the door. There's always a moment. That transition from outside to inside, where a car reveals its true character. Here, it's immediate, because this isn't traditional luxury, not the kind defined by heavy materials and visual complexity. This is modern luxury, space, light, calm. The dashboard doesn't overwhelm you, it welcomes you. Everything feels placed, not packed. Surfaces are soft, but not indulgent. Materials are refined, but not loud. It's a cabin designed for clarity, not distraction. Now imagine this. You step in after a long day. The car recognizes you, not just your key, but your patterns. Your seat adjusts before you reach for it. The lighting softens to match the time of day. Your preferred route appears quietly without asking. This isn't just technology, it's awareness. The Thunderstorm doesn't wait for commands. It anticipates, and that changes the relationship between driver and machine. At night, the experience deepens. Ambient lighting moves subtly across the cabin, not as a feature, but as a feeling. The silence becomes part of the design. Even the smallest details, the texture of the steering wheel, the weight of a controls feel considered. It's not about being surrounded by luxury. It's about being understood by it. In everyday life, that matters more than anything. Because this is a car you live with, not just drive. Morning commutes feel less rushed. Weekend drives feel more intentional. Long journeys feel shorter. There's a sense of ease that follows you. And when it comes to performance, the Thunderstorm takes a different approach. It's not aggressive. It doesn't push you. Instead, it responds. Acceleration is smooth, controlled, almost effortless. Handling feels composed, grounded, predictable in the best way. It's not trying to excite you for a moment. It's trying to stay with you for years. And that's a very different philosophy. Of course, real life isn't always cinematic. You need space. You need usability. You need a vehicle that adapts to your day without asking for compromise. And here the Thunderstorm remains practical. Storage is where you expect it. Visibility is clear. Technology supports rather than complicates. It fits into your life quietly, which might be its greatest strength. So who is this for? This is for the person who values calm over chaos. For someone who wants technology to feel human. For drivers who don't need a badge to define their sense of success. This is for those who believe luxury is not about showing more, but needing less. And maybe that's the bigger idea here. The future of cars isn't louder design. It isn't more screen. It's refinement. It's intelligence. It's understanding how people actually live and designing around that. The Thunderstorm doesn't just enter the segment. It questions it. And when you step out, close the door and walk away, there's no dramatic sound. No final statement, just a quiet realization. This might be enough. More than enough. If you see what this car is doing differently, You're already thinking ahead. Subscribe, and we'll keep exploring what comes next.